Welcome to Born Cottage. Every day I upload free house designs on my subscribers' demand. So the beautiful tiny house you are watching on the screen. In this video I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details, so keep watching the video. So this is the floor plan of the house. The total area I have taken is width is 20 feet, in meter 6 meter, and the length is 10 feet, in meter 3 meter. So in the front we have a sliding door here. After that we will go inside. So we have living cum dining area. The size of the living cum dining area is 12 feet into 9 feet 4 inches, in meter 3.65 into 2.84 meter. You can see here the sofa cum bed and tea table, and also a dining counter here with 2 chairs. You can see here the large size window for ventilation of this living room, and we have wash basin here. After that we'll go on right side. So we have common use washroom plus water closet here. The size of the washroom is 7 feet into 4 feet, in meter 2.13 into 1.21 meter. You can see here the water closet and the shower area, and we have ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. After that we'll go inside. So we have kitchen area. The size of the kitchen is 7 feet 2 inches into 5 feet, in meter 2.18 into 1.52 meter. You can see here the kitchen counter with burner, sink, and also refrigerator arrangement, and we have window for ventilation of this kitchen. So this is the floor plan of the house you are watching on the screen. If you want your free house design, so comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.